Hello, this is Cliff Martin. Welcome to EV Prof. Today I want to talk about floor mats for the Chevy Bolt. I have a 2020 Chevy Bolt EV, and the floor mats that came with the car were minimal coverage at best. And so I did a lot of research to try to figure out what would work well for especially for the winters we have in Ohio and Indiana, and to keep from making the carpet just a mess and wet. So what I decided to go with is the 3D Maxpider Kagu Floor Mats. They have very good coverage, and they contain spills, water from melted snow and things off boots, and really keep the carpet dry and clean. So here you can see the floor mats that came with the Chevy Bolt. They're just flat, carpeted floor mats, and if you get into the car with water in your shoes or snow that melts off, it can run off the mats onto the carpeting of the car, even under the floor mats, where it won't dry out and can even create mold and mildew problems. And here is the Maxpider floor mat on the driver's side of the car. And you see that it has lips on it that actually will catch water off your shoes and will not allow it to fall on the carpet. Now these are due for cleaning. You can just take them out and use a brush and soap and water and just wash them to return them to looking like new. So here's the passenger side, and again you can see there are lips around the edges there that catches any water that would be on your shoes and keeps it off the carpet. Okay, here is the back mat. It's a one-piece mat that goes all the way across, and again there are lips around the edges to catch any water, so it keeps it off the carpeting, keeps it nice and dry, and keeps the carpet clean. So to show you the difference in the coverage of the two mats, I've laid the GM original mat on top of the Maxpider mat, and you see that the Maxpider mat has the lips on it, and it covers well up under the pedals there, and also covers the footrest area, which ends up being a very high wear area without it being covered. So I put the 3D Maxpider floor mats in when I bought the car, and so the carpet still looks like new underneath. Easy to take out. Use soap and water and a brush to clean and have them looking like new again. So overall, I'm very pleased with the Maxpider mats. I think they do a good job of keeping the water out of the carpet of the car, keeping any messes, if you get in with muddy shoes or wet shoes or snow-covered shoes, keeps all that in the mat, and you can easily pull the mat out and use soap and water and a brush and clean them up and have them looking like new. So hopefully you found this video informative. If so, and you'd like to see more content like this, please press like and subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you another time. Thank you for watching.